Hello YouTube, it is Tim. It is Saturday and I'm back with a video. And I got some things here that I'm gonna unbox. So here we go. First, I needed a mouse for my computer. Here. And a mouse. Ooh. Ooh. I like it. Look at that. That's awesome looking. That's awesome. Apparently it's a gaming mouse. I didn't see. Apparently it's some kind of a gaming mouse, but I like it. Oh, okay. This is going to help me when I make videos. This next item here. What it is, it's a card reader and a USB hub. I needed that. This is going to help me with my videos. It's a USB hub, and I need it for the laptop. So this, because the laptop only has one USB port, so when I'm trying to edit and all that, I gotta have some USB ports. That is what I had YouTube and this mouse here. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool mouse. So. When I get back, when I set everything up, I will show you. And there are some more. There are some other things I'm going to show you. I got these headphones today. They're really nice. They're from Iconic. They're nice and loud. It blocks out sound. They're really nice pair of headphones. And so YouTube, stay tuned for some more. Peace. Hello YouTube, it's Tim again, and so I got the mouse hooked up. Oh, look at that! Look at that nice blue color. I love his mouse. And then I got the USB hooked up also. It's awesome. Stay tuned for a Sunday video.